Hey there, I'm Taylor Logsdon. I'm here at Freetown Farm, operated by the Community Ecology Institute, and I am in the kids' garden. The kids' garden is really a mix of annual vegetables and pollinator flowers and perennial food and perennial vegetables and herbs, medicinal herbs and herbs for tea. And the idea and the real purpose of it is just to connect kids to nature and to gardening and to their food. And that's really why it was important to make this space really for kids to make it magical for them. We grow a lot of delicious and nutritious vegetables. We focus on open pollinated varieties, heirlooms, interesting stuff for the kids. We practice intensive gardening, no-till, use a lot of mulch and compost. So food forest is really a traditional indigenous knowledge and way of growing food, and there's a lot of biodiversity. There's plants that work together and fill the different niches and the different layers. The intention is really to create an abundant, life-giving perennial food system that is truly sustainable, and as it matures becomes less work and more reward. This section of the food forest alone, we have walking onion and chives and catnip, currants and squash, strawberries. We've got bee balm and lemon balm and gumi. Here we have our little pond connected with a swale on either side, which is really a passive water harvesting. This is our willow dome, and I also teach the kids practical skills with their hands, survival skills, ancestral skills. So we learned how to do lashing here, and we just did this spring, and this fall I'm going to pull it over and tie it at the top, and it's just going to be a fun space for the kids to come in and have kind of a magical living dome. Well, that's about it. Thanks for joining me. You can check us out. You can follow what we're doing. I post videos and pictures on our social media, the Community Ecology Institute. We'd love to have you out here sometime, and hope you follow us and hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you later.